फरीदून, I will never make a flop film in my entire life. You know why? Because मैं अपनी फिल्में कभी भी अवार्ड फंक्शंस और क्रिटिक्स के लिए नहीं बनाता हूँ. मैं टिकट बाइंग ऑडियंस के लिए बनाता हूँ जो थिएटर में जाके बाहर निकल के बोलते हैं मजा आ गया. So I don't want to achieve greatness. I want to achieve that theater watching audience का happiness. So I will never ever make a flop film. And Himmatwala is the all-time blockbuster. You watch what will happen.
The promo looks very good. In fact, congratulations. Hello, well I've just come out of the first look promo launch of Himmatwala, that is Sajid Khan's Himmatwala here at Giri Galaxy in Bandra, Mumbai. That is a prominent single screen theatre. The entire ambience is that of 80s out here, the placards and the mood of the theatre as well was 80s. There were whistles in the air before the promo started, and promo is full on masala stuff, so all the pseudo intellectuals, they'll be having a problem with that for sure, but the masses, the crowds, the people who pay the money for getting into theatres, I think they'll be having a good time. Looks like a clean entertainer, and definitely what you expect from a Sajid Khan film, that is there. Ajay Devgan looks totally different from what he has done in the past. He seems to be far more gregarious. It's after Singham, I think Ajay's fans will be having something to look forward to in terms of full-on Mardhar and the Dhamakedar action that you associate with him. Tamanna looks good. She looks beautiful as well, and the songs are the ones that I think almost everyone is waiting with bated breaths, and they look smashing for sure as well. So over to some highlights from this event, where obviously Sajid Khan ruled the roost, because when Sajid Khan is around, so he does the talking as well, and Ajay was having some good time as well.
शादी के पहले आदमी हिम्मत वाला होता है, शादी के बाद वो तकदीर वाला होता है.
आजकल सभी के घर में आई थिंक बच्चे हिम्मत वाला सबसे ज़्यादा होते हैं क्योंकि उनकी जो डिमांड होती है वो पूरी की जाती है.
Ajay, do we also see you recreate the white and white avatar of Jeetu Ji just to add to the comedy?
But I did not wear the white shoes. He fought with me on that. No, but we stayed true to. We didn't try to copy anybody. We tried to stay true to the 80s style, and that's how it went. But it's not doing buffoonery or it's not spoofy. It's not spoofy at all. It's just copying the 80s style.
Sajid, hi. You're known for your box office predictions as such, and many a times they come true as well. So what are your predictions for...
No. He's lost 3 bets from me. Don't say always they come correct.
More or less.
Start, Farid will start.
Yeah, so what is your prediction for Himmatwala? And you said that it's going to be biggest hit of all-time hit of Ajay Devgan as well.
Yes, it will be. It will be my biggest hit. It will be UTV's biggest hit. It will be Vashuji's biggest hit. And it will be amongst the top 3 hits of 2013. And it's an open challenge to anybody, for me.
You also made predictions for the first weekend and the first week and also. Could you please elaborate on
I'll tell you what, now you and me will sit and go through daily collections also. Faridun, I will never make a flop film in my entire life. You know why? Because मैं अपनी फिल्में कभी भी अवार्ड फंक्शंस और क्रिटिक्स के लिए नहीं बनाता हूँ. मैं टिकट बाइंग ऑडियंस के लिए बनाता हूँ जो थिएटर में जाके बाहर निकल के बोलते हैं मजा आ गया. So I don't want to achieve greatness. I want to achieve that theater watching audience का happiness. So I will never ever make a flop film. And Himmatwala is the all-time blockbuster. You watch what will happen.
The promo looks very good. In fact, congratulations.
मैं बॉम्बे से हूँ और यहीं पर पली बड़ी हूँ. मुंबई से हूँ. यहीं गेटी गैलेक्सी पे आती थी पिक्चरें देखने. So इतने साल जब मैं साउथ में काम कर रही थी, मैं रुक रही थी कोई अच्छी हिंदी पिक्चर मेरे मुझे मिलनी चाहिए. एंड रुकने के बाद जब हिम्मतवाला जैसी एक फिल्म मुझे ऑफ़र की गई, मैं बहुत खुशी उसे एक्सेप्ट किया, क्योंकि साजिद भाई हैं इस पिक्चर में, इन्होंने डायरेक्ट किया है, अजय है, वाशु जी हैज़ प्रोड्यूस्ड द फिल्म. सो इट्स जस्ट अ ब्रिलियंट कॉम्बिनेशन एंड आई वुडंट हैव मिस्ड इट फॉर एनीथिंग.
आशु, आपने शुरू में बहुत सारे फिल्म बनाए. इट वाज अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ एरा एंड कल्चर. अभी कॉर्पोरेटाइज्ड कल्चर है, तो क्या फ़र्क आप महसूस कर रहे हैं तब के वाशु बगनानी और आज के वाशु बगनानी?
उम्र बढ़ गई और कुछ नहीं है. अब पहले डेविड धवन जी से और अभी आज के साजिद खान जी के साथ में.
Well, we've got massive expectations actually. You couldn't have asked for a better combination. Sajid and Ajay is a spectacular combination, and for them to recreate a film from the 80s, really, we could not have asked for more. The whole team of Disney UTV is super excited to be marketing and distributing this, and it is our first association with Vashu ji as well. And we've had a great time working together. So we're all very, very positive about the film.
There is no such thing as multiplex audience and single screen audience. Believe me when I'm saying this. This divide, has been put in by few people from the trade and from the media only.
I remember Sajid saying a very nice thing about a film. मैं फिल्म का नाम नहीं लूँगा. मैं बोलूँगा ये साजिद ने कहा था ये वैसी फिल्म है कि सिंगल स्क्रीन में लोग कैसे ताली बजाएंगे
सिंगल स्क्रीन में लोग ऐसे ताली बजाएंगे जैसे अभी ट्रेलर पे बजा
और मल्टीप्लेक्स में पर ताली बजाएंगे.
Which was more tough for you, dancing, acting, या action?
Know the answer. Why do you ask questions? What do you think? You give me the answer.
I think you were, though I may sound like a chamcha, you were good in all.
No, but it's dancing is a little, you know, stresses me out.
No, not true. Not true.
Even I can say not true.
Not true. He just claims that dancing stresses about, but सच्चाई ये है कि ये मेरी पहली फिल्म है जिसमें अलग मल्टीपल कोरियोग्राफर्स हैं. मेरी सिस्टर फारा ने 2 गाने किए हैं, गणेश आचार्य ने 2 गाने किए, चिन्नी प्रकाश साहब ने 1 गाना किया, एंड ऑल ऑफ देम हैव ओनली नाइस थिंग्स टू से अबाउट हिम. जबकि we've ensured कि अजय dances, but he dances like a hero should dance. That's what he's done.
Ajay, did you ever become nostalgic? Because when you started your career, there was a phase of Maha Behan ka badla lena. Did you feel nostalgic when you did this film? Did you remember your career film like Jigar?
Yeah, there are lots of things involved in this. Yes, nostalgic because we started a career when all this used to happen, A for one. Secondly, I have, as a kid, been on the sets of Himmatwala when the shooting was happening with my father. And third thing, I was just telling Sajid that, you know, I've come here in Gaiety after years, and the last time I was here in between, but not in the theatre, sitting on a seat. I came here when Phool Aur Kaante released, and the first day I wanted to come and see the reaction. Film started, and quietly we entered and we sat down, you know, how a new boy feels being launched. And I was sitting somewhere in front only, and when on the introduction, people started throwing coins, and you know, one coin hit my head, and I still have that coin. So that's, I think, the biggest nostalgia here, coming here.
श्रीदेवी का स्पेशल अपीयरेंस होने वाला था, है इस फिल्म में क्या स्पेशल अपीयरेंस?
नहीं है. बहुत लोगों ने बहुत रूमर मिल्स हुए थे कि कोई मुंबई फिल्म इंडस्ट्री की बॉलीवुड की हीरोइंस अप्रोच हुई गई. नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. ना इस फिल्म में जीतू जी हैं, ना कादर भाई हैं, ना श्रीदेवी है. ये फिल्म एक स्पूफी फिल्म नहीं है. मैंने फर्स्ट डे से ही जब वाशु जी को इसका आइडिया सुनाया था, तो वाशु जी को मैंने तभी बोला था कि आई वांट अ साउथ इंडियन रेनिंग सुपरस्टार. तो हमने बैठ के सब ने बात किया था कि साउथ में सबसे बड़ी हीरोइन कौन है, एंड वी ऑल स्टम्बल्ड अपॉन तमन्ना. आई हैड नेवर मेट हर बिफोर इन माई लाइफ. मैंने तमन्ना का एक फ्रेम उनकी साउथ इंडियन कोई भी फिल्म का आज तक नहीं देखा है. जिस दिन फोटोशूट हुआ फर्स्ट डे, अजय ऑल्सो मेट हर फॉर द फर्स्ट डे, एंड वी वर एक्सट्रीमली हैप्पी कि वी गॉट someone who we feel will do justice to the role. And technically she's not a newcomer. Technically she's a very big star down south, but पहली बार इनको इस तरह का एक्सपोजर मिलेगा all over India में, and she has done a fabulous job.
बचपन से ताथिया गाने सुनते आ रहे हैं, ताकी ओ ताकी. So if the moment I got the opportunity to do those 2 songs which I've grown up hearing, I was more than excited.
Correct है, आप बिल्कुल सही बोल रहे हो. उस वक्त क्योंकि श्रीदेवी का लॉन्च, सेकंड फिल्म थी श्रीदेवी जी की, उनका लॉन्च इतना बड़ा हुआ था, गाना इतना बड़ा हिट हो गया था कि लोग बोल रहे थे एक्चुअली पिक्चर का नाम हिम्मत वाली होना चाहिए. लेकिन मेरी फिल्म में तमन्ना जी श्रीदेवी का रोल जैसा रोल कर रही हैं, बट ट्रूली मुझे नहीं लगता है कि अजय देवगन साहब से बड़ा हिम्मत वाला इस देश में आपको मिलेगा जब आप ये फिल्म देखेंगे.
साजिद, टेक्निकली इज इट योर वेरी फर्स्ट एक्शन फिल्म?
Yeah, I would say that. But Hey Baby was a drama. But if I had shown the trailer as a drama, nobody would have gone in. Because Sajid Khan hosted and Dost on television for so many years, Jyoti was known for comedy. Hey Baby made you cry more than it made you laugh. The only people who were laughing most were the distributors. You know, Houseful and Houseful 2 were out and out comedies. This is my first proper action drama film.
Yeah,
but
I won't call it just an action film.
With lots of drama, but
Yeah,
lots
lot
of humor
drama,
also.
Humor, everything.
I don't call it an item number, sir. Item numbers usually are put when the film is dry. This song is technically part of the story. I've shown Mumbai in 1983. Yeah, the song actually introduces the film. It's a song in English and Hindi, and it's called Thank God It's Friday. And Sonakshi has done a wonderful job with the song. And it's based in the disco era of the 80s, where I used to go as a 12-year-old child then, you know. So I've stayed very true to my memories of the 80s. It's got breakdancing and Michael Jackson and Madonna and Mithunda and Rishi Kapoor and Amitabh Bachchan from Yarana. It's got all that. I was crazy about Himmatwala. And you know, for Ajay and me, it was like a homecoming of sorts, because not many people know this, but his dad did the action of Himmatwala. And the first day when I went to meet Ajay with the draft of Himmatwala, just about 8-9 months ago before we started the film, I noticed something in his office which he's promised to give it to me. That's the Silver Jubilee Trophy of Himmatwala on his dad's name. So he's going to give it to me on the last day of our shooting. Our shooting is still not over. I hope it sets a new trend of entertaining cinema. I've just been a fan of entertaining cinema. Entertaining cinema which you can watch with your entire family. Nothing they should cringe about. That's what I believe.
This is Faridun Sherif with Zoeb Jamadar and cameraman Tahir Sheikh and Farhan for Bollywood Hungama News Network.